Welcome to my channel. Let's cook together. Steamed white pomfret tastes the best. Fish meat tastes sweet and delicious. This recipe is so easy as you can even cook during busy working day. Let's start cooking. White pomfret. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon shoeshing wine. Rub evenly. Put ginger slices on top. Put into steamer pot. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Steaming time to adjust based on fish size. Fish is cooked. Remove ginger slices and steamed sauce. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir well. Drizzle sauce on fish. Put back to steam for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, remove fish from steamer. The fish looks great. Optional to sprinkle fried shallot and fried ginger slices on top. You may also sprinkle spring onion and chilies if you like. Steamed white pomfret is done. Steamed white pomfret tastes sweet and fresh. You can also add hot cooking oil to stimulate the aroma. So delicious! Drop me a message in below video to share with me how you like your steamed fish to be cooked. Do fried shrimp chili fried rice taste the best with fried egg? Super easy and delicious. It can be ready in 10 minutes. Let's start cooking now. Corn kernels. Eggs. Sakura dried shrimps. Garlic butter. Please view this video for garlic butter recipe. Overnight rice. Crack eggs into rice and mix well. 1 tablespoon dried shrimps chili and mix well. I bought this dried shrimp chili oil from Second Gen. It's yummy. Fried eggs. Fried eggs set aside. Stir-fry Sakura dried shrimps. Scoop out half of fried Sakura dried shrimp and set aside. Melt garlic butter. Pour rice and stir-fry evenly until fragrant. Add corn kernel. Stir-fry 2 minutes. Nice dried shrimp aroma. Scoop fried rice into bowl. Sprinkle fried Sakura shrimps. Serve with my favorite fried nuggets. Fried shrimp chili oil fried rice is done. Add more fried egg and pear. With chili potty if you want. No seasoning is needed because dried shrimp chili oil has enough saltiness. Can't wait to share the tips I learned from chefs. To mix egg with overnight rice is one of the secret to make the fried rice tastier. Next, let's homemade radish cake. Chinese sausage. Shiitake mushrooms. Dried shrimps. Radish. Wash mushroom and remove stem. Squeeze dry. mushrooms. Soak Chinese in hot water to ease of remove sausage casing. Remove casing and cubes. Wash and chop dried shrimps. Peel radish and grated. One bowl rice flour. Pour into bigger bowl. 2 bowl water. Stir well. One tablespoon cornstarch. For corn flour, I refer to the recipe online. I want to try it and see if there is any difference in texture. Stir fry ingredients until fragrant. One tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon each of pepper powder and salt. Grated radish. Stir fry until radish turn translucent. Pour in batter. Stir and mix well. Pour into steam bowl while hot. High flame steam for 40 minutes. Radish cake is done. Looks good. Remove from steamer and let it cool. Smells so good. It's best to cut after let it cool down. You may put at room temperature or fridge. Room temperature usually 3 to 4 hours. Be patient. Once cooled, loosen the sides with a spatula and turn it out onto a cutting board. Nice! Cut into small pieces. You may use sharp knife dip with water and cut. Pan fry fried until both sides crispy and turn golden brown. If your radish cake is mushy, it is because too much of water. Golden ratio for radish, water, rice flour is 100 to 40 to 20. Listen to the frying music. I especially love to eat the burnt part. It's crispy and fragrant. Do you prefer steamed or fried radish cake? Tell me and leave me message. Plate it. Radish cake is done. The skin is crispy and golden, perfect. This is my perfect radish cake. So delicious. Cook this easy recipe for your family during weekend. You may also dip and taste with chili sauce or oyster sauce. Just like how we eat dim sum. The texture tastes softened with added cornstarch recipe. Still tastes good. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.